Hi guys, today we have the latest launch by Centy Toys, that is this tipper truck, which is a replica of the Tata Signa 2823. So I have already unboxed it. So this is the packing of the product. Comes in 3 colors. This is the latest launch by Centy. It was launched I think 2 months back, and I got my hands on this one. So the MRP is 530. This is I think the most expensive truck from the Centy range. So this is the tipper, you can see, amazingly detailed truck. You can see the interior of the truck also. I had opened the cabin of the truck because there was a tiny human figure sitting on the driving seat. I have removed it, and while removing it I saw the interior of this truck, which is amazingly detailed. You can see the name is given Magna, but it is a replica of the Tata Signa tipper. This is the back end of the truck. You can see amazingly detailed. Even this, the tipper has this hydraulic arm just as the real one, and while doing so this also opens. So amazing collectible toy. I have many trucks from Centy, so this is one more addition in that. Now you can see the tires are also amazingly detailed. This has dual tires, so 2 sets of dual tires, and then we have amazingly detailed axle and 2 differentials, you can see, and some leaf suspension detailing is also given in this truck. And we have a stepney tire also. Thereafter you can see there is a urea tank and a diesel tank, which is also amazingly detailed. Then we have the air intake and the silencer, along with the air compressor also. Amazingly detailed truck. There was one more detailed truck which came in the past, that is this Tata 407 model. This was also amazing truck. So you can see the size comparison, it matches with the scale. Even this had dual tires, but these tires are more detailed than the tipper, because here the gap is very wider compared to the Signa model. So if you are a truck lover or a Indian truck segment follower, you will like this video. So these were the earlier tippers used in India, and this is the latest tipper which you will see common on Indian roads. So subscribe to the channel to see such more content. I'll be back with the new video soon.